Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your theme in Google Antigravity. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Google's Antigravity. Then from here, sign into your account, make sure you are signed in, then click onto the gear icon, click into editor settings. Now, the best way and quickest way to do this is do a search inside settings. We want to type in theme and hit enter. Now we can see all the different theme settings inside of Antigravity. So we can go ahead and change the workbench. We can change that to default. We can change the color theme from dark modern to say abyss color. You see that changes. And we can change the workbench from symbols to SETI. We've got a lot of things. We've got light high contrast to light plus. So you have a play around with all these different theme settings and it's going to automatically save as you do it.